Hey everyone, today's harvest of the month is asparagus. For this recipe, I'm going to show you how to cook asparagus in the air fryer. Before we start, let's preheat our air fryer. And for this recipe, we are going to cook at 400 degrees and we're going to cook the asparagus for about 8 minutes. And we're going to hit start and it's going to preheat. Before prepping, we're going to have our asparagus washed. They're already washed. First, you're going to start by snapping the asparagus at the bottom, just like so. This is another great way to get the kids involved, snapping the bottom of the asparagus. Okay, so now we're going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in our mixing bowl. And then we're going to do a salt, pepper. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Now this is optional. You can either omit, you can get gluten-free breadcrumbs, but it's not needed, but it's just an added thing for the recipe. Just put them on top of the asparagus. Then about a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. If you have kids with allergies, you can omit the breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese. Then we're just going to kind of toss it together in our bowl. Make sure that they're evenly coated. It's a great way to get the kids involved as well, mixing the ingredients together. And now our air fryer is ready. It's preheated, so we're going to put them in the air fryer now. We're going to toss them in the air fryer. Might have to shake the basket just a little bit so that way it's single layered. If you layer too much on top, they won't cook evenly. So we're going to put them in the air fryer for about 8 minutes. Halfway through, you're going to take your air fryer basket out. You're just going to toss them in the basket, and then you're going to cook them for the remainder of time. All right, so now we're going to take them out of the air fryer, and we have our asparagus. I'm going to put them on a plate. There you have it, asparagus in the air fryer. Serve and enjoy. Stay tuned for our next harvest of the month.